welcome to another week with me. I am so glad that you could make it here today. And on today's video, we are going to be doing a low budget hallway makeover. So my entryway has been kind of a mess, and so I wanted to find a system that would streamline things, and I found hooks and a bench to be the best system I could come up with, because then Amari, my son, could hang up his backpack, I could keep my purse there, and the jackets we wear most. So that's what I ended up doing. I got this little organizer. It's not really an organizer, this little hooks system and a bench. It's a set, and I got it from Amazon, and I will link it down below. It was really inexpensive, and that is about everything I had to purchase for this project. So as you can see, it is low budget. I do wish I would have gotten the longer bench. However, I couldn't get the longer bench without getting the longer hook shelves, but then these hook shelves are perfect, so I had to sacrifice the length of the bench, but it worked out perfectly, because you'll see as I organize the boot tray and everything that it fits just right with this length of bench. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am super glad that you're here, and as you can probably hear from my voice, I still got this cold going on. Haven't been able to shake it yet. So I'm just going to let you listen to the music. I'll pop in and out of the voiceovers, but it's a short one today, and I hope you enjoy it.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little.
The whole bench was super easy to put together, so was the hooks. The holes are pre-drilled where the screws go, so it was really easy to put together. You just basically put the screws there and get to work screwing. So I was just testing to see where I should put these, and I thought I should stagger them a little bit, just instead of one right on top of the other. Drilling some holes so I can put some wall anchors in, because the one had a stud but the other did not. So I just chose to anchor them in so they can bear a little bit of weight. And as you can see, it's dark now, because as with most of my projects, I try to get them done when my kids are either Amari is at school or Dahlia the baby is sleeping. So my projects are never a continuous like start to finish. So that's why you can see it was day and now it's night when I'm actually hanging these. I tested them out in the day. She woke up from her nap and then I had to go do life and take care of my baby and make supper and pick up my other baby from school, and so it's dark by the time I'm getting to this part of the project. Also, you guys, I really need to get a level, because as you can see here, I'm actually using my phone to level it out. If you didn't know, if you have an iPhone, if you go to the Compass app, oh wait, they changed it now. You just type in level on your search and it brings you an app that has a level, and you can level your projects using your phone. But I really should purchase a level because, well, it's important, because I hang up pictures and lots of things, and sometimes the phone slides and it's not super accurate.
Breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love and leave me breathless, breathless.
So this is how that system turned out, and to finish up the project I am going to vacuum up all the drywall dust and then hang up Amari's backpack and coats and our coats. And since I've been using this system for a couple of months now, as you know, my videos are backdated, it is super efficient. When he gets home from school, he puts his wet / dusty, dirty shoes on the boot tray, hangs up his backpack on the hook, and hangs up his coat on the hook also, and then he opens up his backpack and takes out his lunch bag. So this actually helped him establish a routine, and so it's made my hallway entryway stay neater, because you know, most of the clutter was from him not knowing where to put anything, or from us not having a designated spot to put stuff when we came in. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend this, especially if you're short on space, because as you can see, it didn't take much space. That's the benefit of going vertical, is that you already have that space anyway. So yeah, I'm just putting stuff away, and you guys, this is it for this video. I didn't have that much. I didn't, put all the stuff that's on the bottom step that's to go upstairs. I didn't put it away in this video, but off camera I did take it up with me each time I go upstairs. I bring a load with me until it's all done. I'm super glad you guys came again for another video. I appreciate you more than I can say, and I know I say this a lot, but I really do appreciate you being there for me and for my channel. And please always know that I'm here for you. If you need me or if you need anything, feel free to reach out. I'm on Instagram, and it's at doinglifewithdamaris, and I'm also on Facebook, and my email and all that info is down in my description. So if you ever need to reach me and you don't want to leave a comment, that is one way you can totally reach me. If you enjoyed today's content and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, because I will put out more content such as this weekly. And like and share the video if it is something you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on the next one next week. And thank you so much for being here. Have a great week, you guys. Bye.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing